Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download Qantas ticket. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Qantas.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, the book, fly, frequent flyer, and all of those things. And in the very middle of the screen, you have the option where you can go and of course book a trip. So we have the book a trip option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and download Qantas ticket. So first of all, go to the Qantas website and log into your of course Qantas account as I told you in the start of the video, and click on manage booking tab and enter your booking reference and last name. You can do that by clicking here, then clicking on manage my booking, clicking on manage bookings, and then clicking on manage booking here and putting your references here. Find the email option and click on it, and a new PDF copy of your e-ticket will be generated and sent to your email address. Open your email and download the e-ticket PDF attachment. You will have your booking here when you click continue if you have one. At the moment I don't have any bookings, that's why I can't show you that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.